Okay, the first thing you're going to do is open up Spotify, find the song or the playlist that you want to make a Spotify code from, and basically click on the three dots over here. Go to share and then copy link to song. That's going to copy to your clipboard. You're going to go to this website, spotifycodes.com, paste in the URL that you copied, hit continue, and then just click the download button. Once you have it downloaded, you're going to navigate to this other website. I'll have all the links in the description as well. And you're going to upload a JPEG. You're going to basically just select that file that you just created, convert it to a SVG, and then once you have it converted, you're going to download it. Now that we have the SVG file downloaded, we can go to Bamboo Studio. In this instance, I've already selected plate 2. You can see plate 1, plate 2. Right-click on the actual image or the file, click on Add Part, and go to SVG. Click away from that object, and then select it again. Now once it's selected, you're going to go to Scale, and you're basically going to uncheck Uniform Scale first. Click the first box, which is the X, and then put in the numbers here of 52.79. Y is going to be 8.79. And I have it over here on the right hand side as well. And then Z is going to be 2. And then just press enter or click away. You can kind of see that you can't really see those items. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and change the color. So I'm basically highlighted that object and then just clicked, in this case, 3 on my keyboard to change the color to this lime green that I have. Now I'm going to scale it. So you're going to click the scale button. I'm sorry, not scale. You're going to move it. Change X coordinates to 434.51. Y is going to be 92.67. And then Z is going to remain the same at 3.20. Now that you have it where you want it, pretty much centered in this case, you should be able to just click Slice Plate and then Print. And that's pretty much it.